Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Sa press conference ni VP Sara kahapon, binanggit niya na iisa lang ang handler ni ex-Senator Trillanes, Senator Risa Hontiveros at Franz Castro. Iisa lang ang handler niyan. Ang layunin nila is para i-impeach si VP Sara. Tapos, nabanggit ni VP Sara na may hawak siyang video para depensahan ang kanyang sarili pag dating ng panahon at para mapahiya itong mga nagsusulong sa kanyang impeachment. So, yan ngayon, viral ngayon na pinag-uusapan sa social media, ano yung video na hawak ni VP Sara. So ito, mayroon nang nagsalita na si ex-Senator Trillanes tungkol dyan sa video na yan. Nako, hindi daw totoo, wala daw video na yan. Bluffing. Nananakot lang ang VP Sara. I-challenge ni ex-Senator Trillanes si VP Sara na ilabas kung may video. Okay, so iparinig ko sa inyo ang interview ng ANC si Carmina Villaruel kay ex-Senator Trillanes tungkol sa bagay-bagay nito. Kasi parang kita nyo, parang umaalyado na si ex-Senator Trillanes sa Makabayan Black. Kasi Franz Castro, Akbayan, Parisa. So, ito, pakinggan natin yung pahayag ni ex-Senator Trillanes.
President Sara Duterte willing to reveal the alleged political handler of her critics at the proper time. This, as she asserts, there is only one figure behind House lawmaker Franz Castro, Senator Risa Hontiveros, and former Senator Antonio Trillanes, who last week said he had documented 22 possible articles of impeachment against the Vice President. Joining us now, former Senator Antonio Trillanes. Mr. Trillanes, good afternoon to you. Thanks for joining us today.
Good afternoon, Ms. Carmina.
All right, first off, Trillanes and the Makabayan Bloc, what are the ties that bind you? Are there really any ties that bind you to the Makabayan Bloc?
Nothing. There's nothing that binds us. In fact, during the last elections, the Makabayan Bloc campaigned against me when I ran for the Senate in 2022.
And then the ties that bind you to Senator Risa Hontiveros, let's go to that first. Because you were also criticized, which we're going to talk about later on, but you were also criticized for sort of criticizing former VP Leni Robredo only to prop up Senator Risa Hontiveros. How do you explain your relationship with Senator Risa Hontiveros and the support that she is getting from you, Senator?
The Dalo Group is in alliance with Senator Risa Hontiveros and the Akbayan Party. So we are part of the independent opposition, of which Senator Risa is the leader.
And so we go now to the allegation of Vice President Sara Duterte that there is one handler that is sort of, I don't know, is it manipulating you or handling you, the Makabayan Bloc and Senator Risa Hontiveros? Is there such a thing, Senator Trillanes?
No, there's no such thing, and Vice President Sara Duterte is just bluffing. She's used to doing or saying these things, but she doesn't have anything. Okay, I dare her to show anything that she has. But believe me, within the next week or two, she won't be able to show anything. It's just like the Polvoron videos that they've been teasing the whole country that they will be showing, and in the end, they just came up with an AI video. So it's a bluff, and I'm calling that bluff. I dare you to show that, because the people like Sara Duterte cannot stop themselves from blurting out what they have. So if they have anything, then they would have shown it. So she's definitely just like her father.
What would be the motivation behind that bluff, as you call it, Senator Trillanes?
it's a misdirection. Probably it's an appeal to pity, and she's just trying to sway the public that there is some form of conspiracy against her. No, there's no conspiracy. She's just a crook. She's a criminal, just like her dad, and she's unfit to hold the position of vice president, and therefore she deserves to be impeached. That's all there is.
Exactly. The next question, Senator Trillanes, you said last week that you have already documented 22 possible articles of impeachment against the vice president. She's also saying that that's going to be the next move in this narrative, which only aims to topple her. That's her allegation. And do you think that's really where it's going to go, that there is going to be an impeachment case filed against the vice president?
That's the direction. And she can't pretend or say that she uncovered something, because I've been all over the news telling people that she's bound to be impeached. There's no conspiracy or diabolical plot behind this. That's what it is. She committed crimes, and therefore she will be impeached. And by the way, because of what happened yesterday, the revelation of this Undersecretary of the Department of Education, it's not 22 anymore, it's 23 articles of impeachment.
Okay, so bluffing. Nananakot lang daw si VP Sara yung tungkol sa video na hawak niya na I don't know kung anong laman ng video na ito. So tingnan natin na kaabang-abang ang mga eksenang magaganap kasi lumalabas yung articles of impeachment parang nandyan na eh. The way yung pagsasalita ni ex-Senator Trillanes, handang-handa na eh. 'Di ba ang daming na-file na kaso ni ex-Senator Trillanes laban sa mga Duterte. Siya ang taga-file ng kaso eh. So, lumalabas ngayon na ang nag-document, mga articles of impeachment, documented na 22 na. Eh may pang 23 na. Yung si ex-DepEd-USEC Gloria Mercado, yung sinasabi na namudpud namigay si VP Sara ng 50,000 pesos in 10 months. Nigay. So yun, magiging 23rd articles of impeachment na yun. Bribery. So, tignan natin kung matutuloy na ito. Kasi mismo si VP Sara na unang nagbulgar nito na may hinahandang impeachment laban sa kanya. At napanood ko may isang interview kay Senate President Zubiri na wala siyang alam tungkol niyan. Si ex-Senator Trillanes lang at VP Sara ang nagsasabi. Kaya lang, sabi niya, kung iakyat ng impeachment complaint sa Senado, talagang they're obliged to act as judges. Okay? So, sabi pa nga siya sa interview na, kung may alam kayo tungkol yan, sabihan niyo ko para makapaghanda ko, para pag-aralan ko na yung procedure, yung rules. Kasi matagal na akong hindi nagpa-practice ng law. So, ano ba yan? Pahiwatig ba na matutuloy? Ano sa tingin niyo, mga kaibigan? Matutuloy ba? Iaakyat ba? Isasampa ba ang impeachment complaint diyan sa Kongreso? Kasi kailangan, kung totoo yung sinasabi ni ex-Senator Trillanes na nakaprepare na yung mga articles of impeachment, kailangan lang isang kongresista na mag-sponsor, mag-endorse. Sasubmit sa committee on, I think, may committee dyan eh. And then, pagbubutuhan, mamaya ikyat sa plenary, and then pagbubutuhan, yun na. Kaabang-abang, matutuloy ba o hindi? Let's see. Ang kapalaran ni VP Sara nakasalalay na sa Senado. Kasi sigurado yan, pag matuloy, nasampahan siya ng impeachment complaint sa Kongreso, siguradong papasa. Mangilan-ilan man lang mga kakampi ni BP Sara dyan, sina Congressman Marcoleta, Congresswoman Arroyo. At mga ilan pa, kailang matatalo sila. Kaya kung totoo itong sinasabi ni Senator Trillanes, ex-Senator Trillanes, wala na yan. Siguradong aakyat sa Senado at ang labanan dito na sa Senado kung makakakuha ba sila ng 18 senators na mag-i-impeach kay BP Sara. Abangan ang susunod na pangyayari.